was your rank? Was it 1100? Was it 700? Are you from open category, OBC, NCL, ST, SC, PWD, or open EWS? So your rank depends upon from what category you are actually. So this is the complete fact on which I am going to talk about, and my complete session is going to be on facts. So welcome guys to my channel, and we are going to talk about NIFT, National Institute of Fashion Technology, where the results have been out for 2026. So yes, I know you all were waiting for the results to come out. So congratulations to all who have secured a good rank. A good rank, what is a good rank actually? If you have secured 700, are you going to get NIFT Delhi? Because most of the students ask this question. So what was your rank? This whole session is all about that. So to us, we have to understand that. And if you're confused about category and common merit rank, let me tell you guys, category merit rank unke liye applicable hai who are from OBC, ST, SC, but who all are falling under open, like who all are in general category, only common merit rank will be counted. So I would like to clear that from that slide. Again, consider which stream should you choose. Fashion design is also there, and you will get textile design also there, leather design also there, and there are many streams in NIFT. You can go through the website also, you can see the streams. So lifestyle accessory design, under which you also work on bags, shoes, products, furnitures, etc. Fashion interiors was the new stream which was introduced. MDes, MFM, MF Tech जो मास्टर्स के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हैं उनके लिए है ये पूरा स्ट्रीम. आपको पता है कि PI एंड आपके गैट पे आपका जो भी मार्क्स आया होगा. BF Tech इज ऑल्सो फॉर द बैचलर स्टूडेंट्स. BDes में तो हमने फैशन एंड टेक्सटाइल की बात की. BF Tech इज अ डिफरेंट सेशन. सो चेक योर रिजल्ट गाइज. You can check it on www.nift.ac.in. Now you know your final breakdown of your marks too. I guess you know what did you score in GAT, what did you score in creative, what did you score in situation test, and if you were for masters in design, what did you score in your personal interview. Since ranks are out, counseling will begin shortly. And now let me tell you a very important fact guys, that counseling does take 1.5 or 1 month approximately. So this whole 1 month you are going to figure it out, that are you going to swipe it, are you going to select any center or freeze it. So the dilemma is, if your rank is 1000 or 1100, what streams are you going to get? So let's understand this with this fact. One of our students, I won't disclose the name, but she was from open category and she was from Uttarakhand. For the domicile seat she applied, but she didn't get. Her common merit rank was 2394 and the category was 1696. It's an open category, and the marks breakdown was 2659, and under this she got NIFT Patna. We have one more student from open EWS category, and you can see her common merit rank was 2109, but her category merit rank was 89. She is from EWS. She got actually NIFT Delhi, in which she got textile design. So if you are under EWS category in open, आपका streams you can choose around Delhi also. अगर आपका 89 आ रहा है तो इसी तरीके से there was one more student जिसका रैंक बहुत हाई था 7048. उसे फर्स्ट सेकेंड राउंड में सीट्स नहीं अलॉट हुई, बट ही गॉट द सीट इन राउंड 3 एज यू कैन सी हियर, and he got NIFT Shillong. So do not lose hope if you have this rank also, and if you are falling under EWS general, and this is the common rank. So guys, let me tell you, these are the facts on which I was talking about, but let me tell you, you still have a doubt and you still want to know more about the streams. You can connect for the live sessions on the YouTube today. today. Timings will be disclosed on the description. You can go and see the description also, and there you'll get to know when we are going to come live. So if it was your first attempt guys, if it was your first try, you can again try it out next year. If you're in class 12th, आपको पूरा टाइम नहीं मिला होगा प्रिपेयर करने का, आप अगले साल फिर प्रिपेयर कर सकते हो और ये एंट्रेंस एग्जाम दे सकते हो, बिकॉज giving all India entrance exam and getting selected for one of the esteemed design colleges means a lot. So again, अगर आपका फर्स्ट ट्राई है, आप दूसरा अटेम्प्ट दीजिए. एंड इफ योर रैंक इज टू हाई, अगर आपका सेकेंड अटेम्प्ट था ये और अभी भी आपका रैंक बहुत ऊपर है, लाइक इट्स 6000 और 5000 एंड यू आर फॉलिंग अंडर जनरल कैटेगरी, देन गाइज लेट मी टेल यू कि आपको दोबारा कोशिश करना चाहिए. नहीं तो यू कैन ऑल्सो ऑप्ट फॉर मेनी प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस. सो विच private colleges to apply? You can come to the counseling session. You can book your one-on-one counseling session and we'll let you know what are the options of colleges in which you can apply, what has been the placement of these colleges, and how are the infrastructure and the study curriculum of these subjects. So book your counseling session at Sanyukta Singh Studio. Me and Avinash sir, we both will be counseling you for the, even like it can be the next year preparation and it can be the which private college you should select. So you can book your session at Sanyukta Singh Studio. The numbers are 8700323087. You'll get to see on the below side of the screen. These sessions are usually paid, so you can come and get connected for the 1 hour or 45-minute session for the same. Now guys, let me tell you that NIFT offers a wide range of design streams, and on that, who are we? This question arises. I am a NIFT alumni and we counsel and we mentor students for the All India Design Entrance Exam. If you are new to my channel, you can go and watch the playlist where I have delivered a number of syllabus to our students that are inclined towards design entrance exams, and the questions you usually get from these topics only. Now these are some of my students' glimpses that I've just put it as a collage on this screen, but you can always visit my website, which is www.sanyuktadesign.com, where you'll get to see all my results there, how I prepare my students, how I make them like strong in design basics as well as the principles, and how they deliver that in the entrance exam and how they secure the seat. So this is my website which you are seeing here, and SS Design House @SS Design House. It's my Instagram ID on which you can connect with me and you can share your results there. If you need any type of counseling, you can come and contact me there. I will be happy to help you all. So that's it guys. This was your mentor Sanyukta Singh, and all the best for your results. Congratulations if you have secured a good rank, because if it's your second attempt, you already know that in what rank you're going to get what stream and what college. But again, if it was your first attempt, it was your first try, do not get disheartened. You can again appear next time and you can give your best shot there, and in your that journey we will be happy to help you all. You can come and you can take classes. We are based in Delhi, Dwarka, and we take online classes also across India. You can see our online classes, how we take our online classes. It's available there at @SS Design House. Also you can book your demo and you can see the difference yourself, that how other institutes and we take or conduct classes. So that's it guys. This was your mentor Sanyukta Singh signing off. Till then, take care. Bye bye.